today's maths class. Yes. So class, can anyone tell me what I have taught you yesterday? मैम ने आपको कल की मैथ्स क्लास में क्या सिखाया था? In the yesterday's class we have learnt about time. Ma'am told you how you can read a clock. See, I have drawn some clocks here on the board. Now if I ask you, can you read them? Can you read this clock? No, you cannot, because there is something missing in it. The very important thing which keeps moving. Yes, what is that? One is big, one is small. मैम ने आपको बताया था क्लॉक में कुछ होता है जिससे हेल्प लेके हम टाइम को रीड कर पाते हैं. वो जो मूव करता है, व्हाट इज दैट? द टू हैंड्स ऑफ द क्लॉक. यस, वेरी गुड. सो अ क्लॉक हैज टू हैंड्स. यू ऑल नो दैट. व्हाट आर दोस टू हैंड्स? हाउ वी रेफर देम? वन इज अ big hand, or you can call a long one, and one is small. एक big होता है, एक small होता है. Now can you tell me how you read a clock? For example, if I take this clock, is it visible to all? Now this is the center. We have written all the numbers. जो clock में numbers होते हैं, that is already mentioned here. Now if I ask you that I am drawing the hands here, one hand is this and the other one is this. So can you tell me, what if you read this clock, if you are able to read this clock, what time can you read from this clock? Can you tell me what is the time by this clock? इसमें क्या टाइम दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? If I ask you to read it, the number towards which the small hand is pointing, जिस नंबर की तरफ स्मॉल वाला हैंड, छोटे वाला हैंड पॉइंट करता है, we read that o'clock. टाइम क्या होता है? उस नंबर जितना o'clock. What is o'clock? कि full 4 o'clock. When the long hand is pointing towards 12, जो long hand है वो किसकी तरफ पॉइंट कर रहा है? Towards 12. वो 12 पे है. और जो short hand है वो जिस भी नंबर पे होता है, that is the time. Clear? Now if I ask you what is the time here, so what you will answer me? The time in this, yes, the time here is 4 o'clock. So how you will write? 4 o then clock. So the time in this watch is, sorry, in this clock is 4 o'clock. So what is the difference between a watch and clock? I told you, watch is the one we wear on the wrist and clock is the one that is hanging or kept on the table. Clear? Now, one is जब आपको needle लगा के दी गई है कि yes you have to read this. Now if I ask you कि I have given you this clock, आपको ये वाली clock दी मैम ने और मैम ने बोला you have to draw the needle. आज हम सीखेंगे कि अगर मैम ने आपको टाइम बताया है, if I have asked you or I have told you कि you have to draw the two hands showing this time, तो वो कैसे करेंगे? Clear? So for example, if I say you have to make the hands showing 7 o'clock. like this, and this is the point जहां से हमने start किया था needle draw करना, hands को draw करना. So long will be towards 12 and the shorter one will towards 7. तो फिर क्या टाइम हो गया? 7 o'clock. Clear? Okay. So one more clock here I have. अब अगर मैं आपको बोलूं you have to make the time 9 o'clock here. Okay, I'll write the time here. So in this clock you will do 9 o'clock. Can you tell me how you are going to do that here? So where will you place the needles? Needles जो है वो कौन-कौन से numbers की तरफ होंगी? The long one will be facing 12. जो long है वो किसकी तरफ point कर रही होगी? Pointing towards 12. Yes. So what you will do? First draw a long needle pointing towards 12. अब 9 o'clock है तो short वाला जो hand है, जो short needle है, वो किस तरफ होगी? Towards which number? Number 9. So where we have number 9 in the clock here? तो अब आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ 9 की तरफ you will point the short hand or the hour's hand. ठीक है? जो हमारा short hand है वो कहाँ point करेगा? 9 पे. Is that clear? तो जब भी आपको कोई भी टाइम पूछा जाता है, कोई भी आपसे टाइम के बारे में बोलता है कि either you have to read or you have to draw the hands. Just make one thing very sure, what number is given here. तो आपका जो small hand है, जो short hand है, वो उस नंबर की तरफ point करेगा. Like here we have 4, here we have 7 or 7 o'clock, और जब 9 o'clock टाइम हुआ तो we have pointed it towards 9. Clear? अब एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज मैम आपसे पूछना चाहती है कि जो लॉन्ग हैंड है दैट इज ऑलवेज फेसिंग 12. ठीक है? अब अगर मान लीजिए इन दिस क्लॉक दिस इज द लॉन्ग हैंड. One second. So class, this is the long hand that is facing towards 12 o'clock, towards 12. अब इसी के नीचे आपको यहाँ पे शॉर्ट हैंड भी आ जाता है. तो कैन यू टेल मी जब दोनों ही निडल्स एक ही नंबर पे पॉइंट कर रही हैं, then what will be the time then? Can anyone guess it out? हम वो टाइम वो होता है जिस तरह स्मॉल निडल पॉइंट करती है, right? This is what you have learned. 7 o'clock because the small hand is pointing towards 7. 4 o'clock क्योंकि जो हमारा small hand है वो 4 को point कर रहा है. Then 9 o'clock because the small hand is pointing 9. Right? Now here the small hand is also pointing towards 12. Long तो कर ही रहा था. Small hand is also pointing towards 12. वो भी 12 की तरफ ही point कर रहा है. तो what time will be? अब बताइए यहाँ पे क्या टाइम होगा फिर वो? Can you tell me what is the time here? 12 o'clock. Yes. So the time will be 12 o'clock. Is that clear to everyone? जिस भी नंबर की तरफ, just very simple thing you have to keep in your mind. जिस भी नंबर की तरफ हमारा small hand point कर रहा है, that is the time. So अगर यहाँ पे 9 की तरफ है, it's 9 o'clock. Now it is pointing towards 12. So we are going to refer it as 12 o'clock. आप इसको क्या बोलोगे? क्या read करोगे? You will read it as 12 o'clock. Clear? तो आपको सिर्फ ये देखना है, long hand will always point towards 12. जो हमारा long hand है वो हमेशा 12 की तरफ point करेगा ही करेगा. That will not change when we are talking of o'clock. But when small hand is today, I have pasted few cutouts of clocks in the notebook. So I'll share those cutouts also with you. आपके साथ मैम उन cutouts को share करेंगी as a sheet. तो get it print, get it cut and paste in your notebooks, and then you have to do the work in the same way I am going to do. Okay? So you have tomorrow as your holiday Saturday. So Saturday you can complete this work by getting it print, or in case if you are able to draw them. अगर आप draw कर सकते हो तो भी कोई problem नहीं है. तो देखो मैम ने draw करी है. So it's very easy. कोई भी circular object ले लीजिए like a small bowl or something at home और उसको ऐसे रखिए. Circle trace करिए. Circle trace करना तो आपको आता है. And after tracing the circle, you can mark the numbers like this. ठीक है? Print out नहीं लेना है. No issues. You can make your own clocks also. Understood? So let's move towards the notebook work and see how we are going to do the work in notebook. Okay? So class, now let's see how we are going to do our work in notebook today. Okay? So first thing is we are going to write today's date. So what is that? 29th. So we are going to write that here. 29 January 2021. After writing the date, don't forget to mention classwork. Clear? So the first thing we have here is time, the topic. Now let's read what the question says. Draw the two hands to show the given time on the clock. Now can you see we have a clock here as it was drawn on the board. So what I have done, I have taken out some printouts. I have cut those and I have pasted here. Like here I have one here. Then I have here also. So let us see what we have to do. We have to draw the two hands. हमें क्या करना है? We are going to draw the hands long and short showing the given time. So see the time is given to you. What it is written here? 10 o'clock. So the time given is 10 o'clock. अब आपको क्या करना है? You have to draw the needles showing this time in this clock. So for that we are going to use the scale. You all are having the scale with you. So take out your scale and a pencil and see how ma'am is doing. Now why we are using the scale? So that we can make straight needles. Clear? Can you see this small dot here? This is the center. From here we will draw the long hands. Long hand. अब बताइए long hand किसकी तरफ बनेगा? Towards which number? 12, isn't it? Long hand जो है वो हम 12 की तरफ बनाएंगे, pointing towards 12. So what we will do? We'll do it like this. Using a scale. अब ये देखिए बिल्कुल straight line आई है. And then make a point like this. So this is your long hand. Now we have to show 10 o'clock. So tell me किस number की तरफ, towards which number we are going to point our short hand? Towards number 10. यही बताया था ना आपको मैम ने. So again from this point only you will draw a short hand using your scale and pencil, and then again like this. So now the time here is 10 o'clock. So what is the time? Shown here 10 o'clock. Is that clear to all? Okay. Now let's have some more practice. Now I have another clock, and what time you have to show here? 7 o'clock. Can you read it? What's shown here? 7 o'clock. So how we are going to do that? Again, long hand towards 12. So take your scale and make a long hand like this towards 12. It's pointing towards 12. Now tell me where I should draw the small hand. Small hand will be there towards 7. Yes, very good. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? Towards 7, from the same point we'll draw the short hand and we'll make a pointer like this. So this is our shorthand pointing towards 7. So what is the time here now? 7 o'clock. Clear? What is the time? 7 o'clock. Similarly, now look at this one. What time you have to show here? 9 o'clock. So you have to write, you have to draw the needles showing 9 o'clock. So again, the long one will point towards 12. Like this. Done? Now 9 o'clock. तो अब हमें क्या करना है? Towards 9. Short hand कहाँ बनेगा? Towards 9. So that the time shown here will be 9 o'clock. Like this. So this watch, sorry, this clock. Again, I'm so sorry. This clock is telling us that the time here is 9 o'clock. Understood? So this is your classwork. What's your classwork? You will draw the clock. Ask your mother to give you some time and you will draw the needles. Clear? You will draw the hands showing the given time. Now if we move towards our homework today. So again, let's write the date first. 29th January 2021, and this is your homework, so please write HW. Clear? So the time, topic time, read the clock and tell the time. So now you have been given a clock which is already having needles, or you can say the hands. The two hands are there, isn't it? Now you have to read this and tell. The time is dash o'clock. So I'm not going to write the answer. You have to do it yourself because it's your homework. So you just read the clock here and tell the time. Clear? Similarly, we have two more at the back also. The time is dash o'clock. अब आपको इस clock का time बताना है यहाँ पे. And here you are going to tell what is the time shown here. The time is dash o'clock. Is that clear to all of you? This is how you are going to do the practice of the work time, of the topic time. Now for this, as I told you, अगर आप खुद से draw करना चाहते हैं, you can trace a circle और आप उसमें ये बना सकते हो. Otherwise, I'll be sharing the PDF of this printout. मैम इसका एक PDF share कर देंगे printout का. So you can get it print and can get the work done. Is that clear to all of you? How you are going to do your today's work in the notebook? So class, I hope you have understood both the ways of your clock, how you are going to do the work. One is when you have to draw the needles, or you can say draw the hands by understanding what time you have to show. ठीक है, एक तो हमने ये सीखा कि अगर हमें time given है, so how we can show that time with the help of the needles, and one कि when the time is given to you, the needles are there, you have to read and write the time. Is that clear? You have to finish your both the work, classwork and homework in the same way I have done for you, and please don't forget to share your work lastly by tomorrow. Those who want to get these prints can share it by tomorrow, and if you are willing to draw them, that's perfectly fine, no problem. Bye for now, take care and get ready for the next class.